I'm discuss very important topic. So in an Instagram account, what are the content you are posting by your Instagram? The automatic shared by your Facebook and Twitter wall. Any Instagram they support by one Facebook page, one Twitter profile. So how will be posting? First of all, select your mobile version. Instagram mobile version support by the Instagram to Facebook page and Twitter will be posting. And what are the login credential will be there? That will be mandatory connect by your Facebook profile and Twitter profile. First of all, click for next. Select your image. Click for next. Add your content. Done. Next one. What is that? Facebook page. Select it. Facebook page. You can grant access by your Facebook. The Facebook application mandatory used by your mobile. Click for grant access. Access done. Your particular Facebook page. Next, Twitter. Select the Twitter. That is required for login access. Required for login access. Select your username. So I am searching for username with the next. I'm enter the password. Now click for authorize app. Done. Now done by Facebook, done by Twitter. Finally click for share. After posting you are done. Now select by the finish option. Now you can check. This will be your Facebook and Twitter wall. Select it. Facebook.com/Rakesh solution. Twitter.com/RT solution. It's right. Understand? What are the content you are sharing by Instagram to Facebook and Twitter? Only eligible by the mobile version. That is called. Select your Facebook page. My post done by where? Instagram. It will check by Facebook page and Twitter. Done. Just 25 seconds back. The drawback is called. What are the image you are posting by Instagram to Twitter? Image will be not visible by Twitter profile, but the image visible by the Facebook profile. Scroll down. Done. So always remember drawback. What are the content posting by Instagram to Facebook and Twitter? What are the image you sharing by Instagram? Is not showing for Twitter profile wall. So this will be only eligible by the mobile version. Eligible which one? Mobile version. So this is called share your content Instagram to Facebook and Twitter wall. That is accessed by your Facebook app and Twitter. Authentication is a must and should required.